Very good.
Yep.
Looks good. Nice seam.
Same.
Can't even see the seam.
What seam?
There's a seam right here, but you can't see it. Even up close. You have to go so close. There's a seam right here. But you can't see it and you can't feel it. Now we're gonna do it again. Check to make sure we're perfect.
Looks good.
It's a lot of work holding this phone up. My arm's getting tired.
This is for paper job.
You want your yellow?
Yep.
Seamless.
There's a place in California where they recover data off hard drives.
Nice.
And it's a lab, and they've got a warehouse of like spare hard drives of every type.
Really?
And before they let you, if when you go work there, before they let you touch a customer's hard drive, you have to like do a transplant on a hard drive, but you have to do it 3,000 times.
Wow.
So you spend a year practicing before you're allowed to touch the real thing.
Wild.
So it should be with wallpaper. Okay, this one.
Depends how expensive it is. Well, the Spencer guy, he had a wallpaper that was made of metal. I don't know if you saw the video.
It was metal wallpaper?
Yeah, it was like a gold leaf or something.
Just right on the edge of those trees.
And he's like, the customer had the best wallpaper guy ever, but then They wanted wallpaper on the roof, on the ceiling,
Yeah.
but the
Shift
ceiling,
mine over a bit.
Okay.
Right
and
there.
the guy was like, "No way, I can't do it."
You good?
Yeah.
You good?
So they called Spencer.
I'm gonna just adjust slightly to make sure. Okay, right
I
there.
just wanted covering that.
This one, right?
Just
yeah,
covering, yeah.
right there.
Okay. Good.
Yep.
You know what, I'm gonna get a longer blade. Okay. This blade's too short. I don't wanna risk